If Yeshua was here speaking to you in English, he will sound exactly like my English, with the same accent, with the same passion. Reading the language of God, the original language of God. הנה מלאך אדוני נראה אליו בחלום לאמור, יוסף בן דוד, אל תירא מקחת מרים אשתך, כי עת אשר אורה בה מרוח הקודש הוא. The angel of Jehovah, the God, was seen in Joseph, Yosef, in his dream, and he told him, don't be afraid to take Miriam, Mary, to be your wife, because she got pregnant from the Holy Spirit. And then the angel of God tells him, וילדה בן וקראת את שמו ישוע, כי הוא יושיע את עמו מחטאותיהם. And she will give birth to a son, and you should call him Yeshua, because he will Yoshia. Yoshia means like salvation, his people from their sins. There is no Jesus here. Jesus is something that was made up, fabricated by King James. So when King James changed the name Yeshua to Jesus, he made it up because it doesn't make sense with the word salvation. Here, it does make sense. Yeshua is salvation, Yoshia. So it makes sense, and that's why it's important to stick to the original.